Sometimes, while working on a project, you might find yourself in a situation where a certain connector is missing. If you can't find the connector you need while designing, you don't have to stop the process. You can add a custom connector in two ways, either by clicking the Create Custom Connector button here in the Connector Filter view, or by clicking the button in the right panel. Once the editor opens, we recommend adding a picture of the connector. Just click on the image icon and locate the file. The image serves as a visual reference to help you navigate your project more easily. If you can't find the exact match, you can use a similar looking connector or even continue without it. Now, rotate and resize the image. Place it over the connector's outline, aligning the backside with the green dots. These represent connection points where you'll later attach wires. Once you're done editing, click Confirm and Leave. Now, it's important to fill in the connector details, especially the number of pins, gender, and part number. If you also have details like the part number for the back shell or pins, go ahead and add those too. Selecting Ground Shell enables you to connect shielding to the back shell later in the pinout view. If you need to add comments, use the description field. Our technicians can help fill in any missing details during the review process. Now, let's quickly add a wire by duplicating an existing one so we can complete the connector setup in the pinout view. Once the connectors are linked, let's open the pinout view. Here we can set up various parameters of the added connector. But since we're working with a circular connector, parameters like the number of columns or pin arrangement are irrelevant in this case. Since it's a mil-spec connector, we can select pin naming based on that standard. Finally, we can link the pins of the C3 connector with the newly added connector. For simple sequential linking, we can use AutoLink. Now, our newly added connector is linked. To save the changes, simply click Apply Changes.